In this video, I'll show you how to set up your first Google Ads campaign so you can start promoting your website, product, or service to potential customers. Google Ads provides a guided setup process that helps beginners launch campaigns even without advanced experience. To begin, sign in to your Google Ads account and look for the Create button at the top left of the dashboard. Click it and choose Campaign to start the setup process. Next, select a campaign objective such as leads, sales, or website traffic, depending on what result you want from your advertising. After choosing the objective, enter a clear campaign name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple campaigns. You'll then move through the campaign setup where you define your target audience by selecting locations, languages, and other targeting options that match your ideal customers. Next, add your ad assets such as headlines, descriptions, images, or videos, along with the landing page where visitors will be directed. Finally, set a daily budget and choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your goal. Review your settings carefully before launching the campaign and monitor performance after it starts running. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.